for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap.
Is it like bacon?
Too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go and she popped the Tesla, now she gonna electric. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house.
God is so good. He is so merciful. He is so gentle, patient. I love him. This is all praise to him, always praise to him. Yeah. I'll catch y'all when we y'all drive on the median.
They be driving crazy out of.
Child, what? I said he gotta get to it. Babe, let me put my seat. I need to put my seatbelt on?
Yeah, put it on.
Okay.
Put it on.
It seemed like you finna get us there. I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you. Y'all, if only y'all knew the half of what's going on. I'm just ready to get to the B&B and I will be calm, cool, calm, and collect after that. Now we just waiting in traffic. So I'm gonna talk to y'all a little more when I get to the B&B. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Have a good one. Enjoy your stay.
You too. Be safe. Okay. Finally. I was trying to lock it back. This is nice. Look, my hair look a mess. This room got 2 double beds in it. Yeah, that flight had everybody tired. Everybody is up. Say hey to the vlog. Hey. Everybody is up. She up. I'm up. This yellow neck, big back, hair cutting, panda wearing motherfucker. If I could be anything. Say hey to the vlog. The fuck? Niggas just be so rude. We all just woke up. We finna start getting ready because we finna go to his birthday dinner. I don't know if I should go. He pulled some lame shit early. I need to tell y'all about that. Sister. Whatever. Child. Anyways, he might be looking real pissy because he having an all black dinner. And if my all black ain't all black, and then y'all know the rest. So I just took the best nap. Hold on. I just took the best nap ever in history, y'all. Let me not be yelling. I'm over here finna wake them up. I just took the best nap ever. Y'all, I did not even get no sleep last night. I've been up for a whole 24 hours. That nap just was very much well needed, because if not, I was not gonna enjoy myself because I would have been sleepy. Your girl would have been asleep. I would have been so sleepy. Like, so right now, like I just told y'all, we finna go ahead and get ready for the dinner. And yeah, we finna make some shit shake. So I'm finna wrap my hair up and get in the shower, because y'all see I just got a wig. Y'all never see me in a wig. So I'm just trying to maintain this as best as I know how. Yeah, that's just what it's gonna be. That's just what it's gonna be. I'm gonna catch y'all when I start getting ready, because it's a lot going on. And look at my little view from my room, y'all. Your girl got a little view. I don't know what the hell this view is. This just like somebody else's house. Y'all know the houses in New York are like super close to each other. I could never do that, ever. I could never do that. I'm finna catch y'all when I finish getting together. To us, no lashes for me as a lash tech. It's crazy.
Driver is approaching.
Yeah, it's so much chaos going on. What? The lock?
I think so.
My whole ass is out. Y'all, it's literally drizzling. We got on heels and can't walk. Say hey, y'all. Yeah, I'm getting married. Thank you. Yeah, it's a proposal, but they kind of already gave it away. So, yeah.
Always in New York.
Right? That's why I don't know why he chose New York. What you know about that? I don't see nothing wrong. Whoa.
We gon' spin and kill everybody. Deep as fuck. A nigga telling on. We gon' spin and kill.
Do your dance. Do it one more time. Do the hand sway. Ow! 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 Don't play with him. Do the hand sway. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! I can teach you how to duck it. Yeah, we are now waiting to go to the restaurant. Are y'all seeing this? Yeah, we are now at dinner. The aesthetic is so beautiful. I got some motherfucking chopsticks, baby. I don't even know how to use these. Where is the menu at? Is it like bacon? The lobster dumpling is good as hell. Food was 10 out of 10. Chef's kiss. But I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit more when I get out of this restaurant. Y'all, we are now done with dinner. Focus. We're now leaving dinner. We're gonna go back to the Airbnb and change and then get in some motion. It is so pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all probably when we get back to the house. So y'all, we finna go to Walgreens real quick. We need to get some chasers. Is there some juice in there? Well, we can't chase with water because we got a bottle. But we got the bottle, so we need to go get some chasers. I need to go get some more soap, and I need to get some makeup wipes. Come on, we need to go because it's down there. Well, it's finna be. He going for that Tessie. That's my best hand. You need to mind your motherfucking business. You need to mind your business. I'm just doing what I'm doing.
I just do what I know.
I'm just doing what I do.
Is you gonna be straight in here?
You loud.
Lock this.
You wanna go? No.
Lock the piece over here.
You should have did all that before. You should have thought about that before we left. Oh. How you even see what's going on? You just do it. Go. Go back in there. I'm going by myself.
Hush.
You gonna be done pissing me off. He just been pissing me off so bad. Let me finish the day right now. Since he's arriving now.
Texas?
Yes.
Oh, how are you?
Good, how are you? I should have added a stop. Because they're supposed to close at 12 and I just need to go and come right back. How does that work? We'll be back. Don't go nowhere. Back outside. Hopefully they got what we need.
He done pulled off. No, I'm just playing.
Oh. My shoes is coming up. I couldn't let them come out. This ghetto ain't gonna lie. No bags is crazy.
They haven't sent us any.
They haven't sent y'all no bags.
Damn.
This is some ghetto ass shit, y'all. Y'all. Yeah, no. Yo, why we just pulled up to Walgreens? They ain't even got no bags. This is so ghetto. So ghetto. We in the ghetto.
Shit.
Look.
Are you in the bathroom?
Look.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You coming through like that? That's how we coming? Let me get her.
It's your birthday. Come take 3 shots. It's giving this my birthday. How I'm coming. Chug. Ooh, that's liquor.
We get that pretty fast.
Ooh! Oh!
Not the lip on the bottom. Who?
You just drunk that shit like it was a damn can of soda.
Like a damn.
You ain't drinking up. That's not a double.
Cheers to
What?
a new chapter in life.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers. Cheers to 22. 22 will bring me nothing but success. I got a double pour.
Pour look, that was not even nothing. What you poured?
I think I got enough.
I ain't from Dallas, but I need town bitch. Man, you just
You and I'ma do it. Okay.
We're gonna go, whoever get the least score, gotta take a shot. Car, kind of like a tiger.
Jaguar.
Mm-hmm. SeaWorld, they shoot water out there.
Yes,
top of
really
the
cute.
Seal. Whale.
No.
It's cuter than that.
Young.
Fish. Goat.
Young.
Go.
Goat. Everybody take a shot. No. Fuck that. Cheers to my subscribers. Fuck it.
You ain't cheers to me.
Cheers to you too.
Cheers. Cheers to your subscribers, hell.
Woo! Ooh, that's liquor.
What?
That's not that strong.
That is strong.
No.
Degree. Why is he using my lotion, y'all? Look, show them. It's only a pea drop in there. It's not enough.
I ain't blowing my hands so hard.
That's why I asked last night, did we have lotion? Because I already knew I had a teaspoon.
This will do me, because I'm only wearing shorts today, so today.
Bitches be quick, but I'm quicker. Bitches be thick, but I'm thicker. Hello.
A little bit more though, because I ain't wearing no sleeves today. Well, I get hers, a little bit of hers. We leaving at 11:30.
You don't tell me what the fuck to do.
Hey, turn it back on. How she talking? She trying to front for y'all? That's a no-no.
That's a yes, yes.
Look at this.
Look, get back here. He be trying to, y'all. He don't understand girl math. Who finna get ready in 30 minutes? That's not how girl math works. Do you know what girl math is?
Well, you should have thought about that at 8 a.m.
You didn't wake us up with the trumpet at 8 a.m. Why did this man? I'm sleeping, y'all. I literally wake up to the sound of a trumpet. I thought I was in heaven. I thought I already made it.
That's what she said.
I said, Lord, I made it.
That's what she said. She told me, I thought I woke up. She told me, I thought I was in heaven. God called me home.
Yeah, I thought I was. I was just happy I made it, y'all. Wait, play it so they can hear what it sound like. Literally the sound that we woke up to. Girl, why he play that? I'm thinking God done called me home. I said, Lord, I made it. I hear sounds of a truck. I said, ooh, Lord, I done made it. I done made it to heaven, y'all. They playing music, so I gotta hurry up. Which one y'all think I should wear today, y'all? These give a lot of New York because they real baggy, but I already wore something similar to this. And it's like giving this bag with whatever I do end up wearing. So, y'all, your girl is now ready. As always, the last one. I'm glad I chose the brown hair. I feel like it adds more to what I got going on. It's like brown, but not. Maybe in the sun you'll be able to see it more, yeah. NYPD. You know I never seen that NYPD.
You seen me yesterday.
I'm saying like I ain't see it. Look. Oh, what is that? A parking garage? Ain't no way. How they get up? Let us move before they be done hit our ass. In New York, we're at Bubby's. Thank you. We just doing what we doing. Work hard on another to vacation. Look, we made it. Lex was patient. She waited for this. She waited her turn. That's what y'all need to do. Yeah, look at this mirror. Every time I come to a different place, I always go to their bathroom because they got so much different stuff in it. Listen to me. Go, go. No, for real, that was super fast. Sausage. Thank you. Ooh. Mine look good though, I ain't gonna lie. And Lord bless this food that we got to receive in Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Take a few laps on the horse. horses before the sunset, and I can see it from my window. I can see this from my window.
Now we finna walk to the train station.
I sit in the middle of an orgy. She did it right up. Night of the poetry. My hell of a night.
I think it already departed.
Departing now. So maybe we gotta see.
I don't hear no train at all.
Hold that. Man,
Yeah, if we get on this train and miss it, then this is all on him. Are you sure it's the right one? It don't be moving, clearly. Almost fell. I'll be the test dummy and let y'all know if y'all need to take the train or not. I feel like we finna be lost, but it is what it is. Excuse me, you work here? Where we at? Are we in South
yeah, where y'all trying to go?
we in Manhattan?
Where y'all trying to go?
I told this nigga we should've took no damn train. It's all.
Hey, get
I'm
up on the train. Y'all go to Times Square.
That one?
Yeah,
That one
42nd Street.
finna.
Where y'all go? Where y'all coming from? Where y'all from?
Jordan.
Don't close.
You New York City. Enjoy yourself. Y'all be safe.
Winter. Okay. Y'all. He didn't know we was on the wrong train. See, this is why I knew.
But this is good.
Now I ain't tripping.
This is good. We got nothing to talk about.
I got a good feeling that. How you feel? Cause I don't even. We gonna get lost. I don't even know how to feel at this point. For real. Y'all, we just. I gotta go. Bye. Yeah.
I'm confused. So.
I'm finna jump down. I'm finna jump down there. I doubted him, y'all, but we're only 5 minutes away.
I love your outfit.
Thank you. They jocking the style, y'all. Yeah, I'm trying to multitask. When I try to multitask, I don't even know what I'm saying. Finally made it to Times Square. When I say it's so much going on right now. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, this shit looks so good. Cheese kebabs. He literally cooking. Say hey. Huh? Georgia. Where you from?
I'm here.
Ah.
I'm here 32 years.
Huh?
I'm here 32 years from Times Square.
Ah, okay.
Every day at Times Square.
Yeah, we just got here. I'm finna drink this and then come back and get it. I'm gonna come back and get something else. Okay. Yeah, they got all types of stuff. Merch for days. How much? 35 to draw me? Georgia.
Let me do movie stuff.
Huh?
You got beautiful eyes.
Thank you.
Like I said, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You look great.
5 minutes?
Yeah, movie stuff.
Okay. He finna draw me, y'all.
Okay.
He literally finna start drawing me. It look like me?
does.
Okay, everybody boosting it up now. Kind of, not really. You think it look like me?
Yeah.
Frame? Who's gonna be the drunkest? Y'all, we finna go outside, back outside. A nigga always making me mad, baby. Okay.
You're irritated.
She got drunk. You here for a good time, baby.
You get
I got on boots.
regardless, you get on side.
We back outside.
We get on side.
We outside.
One way in.
And one way in. She drunk already. Oh, baby. We're here now. Late 21. I shouldn't have took that shot and didn't get no food. Remember, we ate no food. That's the freaking issue. I got him a DVD. We're not gonna be able to record. Y'all, this supposed to be like a hookah chill spot. We at the club. Will y'all dance real quick? Oh, go ahead. We're now back at the house. I'm finna take off this freaking makeup because your girl had a time. A time was definitely had. Next time y'all see me, it'll probably be the next day. But I'm finna get in the shower real quick and wind down. It is 1:44. So yeah. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, May 18th. I know I look a mess, but today we have a full list of itinerary because yesterday we kind of didn't get that much done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and y'all will see me when I'm finished because your girl has a lot to conquer today on this itinerary. So yeah, let's go ahead and start getting ready for the day. Hey guys. Let's go ahead and go, baby. We got a lot to do today. And guess what? I'm finna drink. We gotta drink to it, baby, because we just hit 900. And by the time y'all seeing this, we'll probably be at 1K. So, I can show y'all everything. But yeah, we just hit 900. You ready? We just hit 900 on YouTube, baby. And I just want to say thank y'all. I love y'all. You got to show. We both got to take a shot because we can't leave them hanging like that. But the Uber is here, so we all finna go down and get this day started. Just a girl. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl that needs some food at this very moment. What you laughing at? Are you laughing at me?
Yeah.
But we on the way to our destination. Byron. What is so funny? He think everything funny. He think everything funny. I'm really funny. I think I'm really funny. You think I'm funny? That ain't supposed to be like. In New York. We just made it, y'all. We just made it, y'all. We finna go to the summit. The building literally right there. Vanderbilt is where we're going. Do they have food right now? That look good, but they eat. Excuse me, where you got that from? That food?
In the charcuterie inside.
Yeah.
Inside of there? That building?
Okay, Grand Central. Yeah.
Go down to the basement.
Y'all want to go down there or that's too much? Okay. Thank you. What y'all want to do? We need to get something to eat. Auntie hungry. I'm hungry. Say, look at him pulling out the tripod. I can't wait to get some content. Can't wait to get some content.
Said somebody with a tripod in their hand recording.
This ain't about me. This about you though. This about you. Y'all, just think about how many people it is out here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Imagine if all these people gave me $1. I would be rich right now. If all these people out here gave me $1, y'all, I would be rich.
Food right here.
Yeah.
Look at the bird. Yeah. Let me stop playing with this damn bird. He's staring at me. Huh? He said, do me. I'm gonna do me at any time, every time, baby. It's like so much going on right now, y'all. It's so many people, literally. I've never seen anything like this. Like, it's literally so many people out here. You can't even think or breathe straight. It's so many people. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get inside because there's too much going on right now. What y'all trying to eat? McDonald's? You can get McDonald's. Okay, now we talking. I ain't gonna knock down that line. But it's like we in New York, we need to try something different. She wanna go to McDonald's, y'all. Out of all the things we can eat in New York, y'all, she want Chick-fil-A. Out of all the things we can eat, chopped cheese, Philly cheese, glizzy, she want Chick-fil-A. But guess what? I wanted to. Huh?
What time it is?
Time for us to go. What all you got on there?
I just let him do his thing.
We waiting to go outside. Y'all ready?
One Vanderbilt was our opportunity to put our mark on the skyline.
Building built by New Yorkers for New Yorkers. There was nothing that was going to stop us. One Vanderbilt will forever be ingrained in the fabric of New York City.
This building broke boundaries.
Y'all, it feel like we was in the dang movies.
It's called the Holy Ghost.
AMC theaters. That was fun though, I ain't gonna lie. I guess that was like the little intro to the building, and now we finna get into the actual building tour. Y'all ready? I'm excited. Auntie said she's trying to get with her group. 3.
Make it a break first.
Not return to the previous floor, it's just a one-way experience. So as soon as you go up there, you can't go back down.
So we just need to put on those?
Yeah, here you go.
Thank you.
No problem. You guys can sit down all the way over there, okay?
But don't stop. Get me the hell out of here. She thinking so. Get me out of here. We in a purge.
We must be on. I can feel the pressure. I can feel the pressure.
Lord, we are your sacrifice. I told you we are high in the sky.
Are we going to the right place?
Yeah, they said go right.
Where is we at?
Oh, there you go.
Oh my God! I knew it! I told you. There's glass everywhere.
Why are you scared?
Oh my gosh! I told you. The views is crazy. Take a video.
Not with these on.
Right. We can't take them off. Baby, we is in like, where is we at, y'all? It feel like I'm in a, like, if you self-centered, it's the place to be. It's mirrors everywhere. You get my phone? The views is crazy. Y'all, the views is crazy business. Look at you, girl. In New York. This is like a little basic one, I think. Dubai. Oh my God. Y'all, that's the one I've been waiting on. Oh my God. Woo! This is the one I've been waiting on. Oh my God.
Lie down on the floor. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That does. Let's look it up with somebody else here. Have your camera.
This is too much fun. 2, 1.
Bruh.
They finally let us come out the shoes, y'all. So the cocktails is upstairs?
Yes.
Okay. The cocktails is upstairs. Now this is if you pay for the a little cocktail. of mirrors for the most part. You too. That's a wrap.
Can I see your wristband?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. We are. That was really fun. That was definitely really fun. I give that a 10 out of 10. But what I will say is that my ears is stuck from that elevator. What I will say is that it's a bunch of mirrors for the most part. It's a couple of different sceneries, but for the most part, it's all mirrors. Now that we out of there, y'all, we finna go to the museum. And he wanna take the train again. And it wasn't that bad for our first time. We didn't get lost. So, well, we did take the wrong train one time, but it wasn't that bad. So now we finna take the train again to the museum. So, hopefully we don't get lost again.
To the left.
To the left. He want to experience it so bad. So that's what we gonna do. Y'all, we in the museum. I'm gonna take pictures right now. Bless you.
That would have been perfect too.
What? Girl, if you don't bring your ass in here, if you want to take some.
Just keep it open because they might lock us in here. Booby trap. Keep this.
We need to get out of here, y'all. This ain't private. And I just walked on in.
This door open.
You better prop a book up there.
Hurry up.
Hurry up to get this black and white, bitch. Come on.
Hurry up.
I wonder why I say private. Yeah, I literally have not been able to vlog. It started pouring down. It's clearing up now. Hopefully if it clear up some more. We're going to Shipwreck.
We need to go to Shipwreck. Y'all trying to go?
We're trying to go back to Times Square. We need to get something to eat, but right now we're on the way to the house because it is indeed pouring down. We couldn't even take pictures how we wanted to, but luckily we made it work as always. So hopefully this weather clears up because it is our last day for real. Because tomorrow we're not gonna do nothing, right? Or no? Breakfast?
Yeah, we can get big.
Hopefully this weather just clears up because right now it's looking like we inside. And we need to be outside. We finna go get seafood, right?
Yep.
We finna go get seafood. I didn't even care to do my hair. I literally threw it in this hat since it's raining. So I'm gonna catch y'all when the bad just is eating seafood, baby. Okay. Y'all, we now at the little seafood place. We just ordered. Did y'all bring that bottle? They really let you bring your own bottle here?
Yeah.
Why you didn't bring our bottle?
I didn't know that until I got here.
When you bring your own bottle, it's crazy. The DJ got a whole DJ in here, y'all. The DJ hit the hit, all hits on this. He is on the ones and twos, baby. Girl, these motherfuckers look so good.
You get two right
Yeah, hold on. Let me do a little taste test real quick. 10 out of 10. Hey guys, we're back home from getting something to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower, probably lay it on down. I got some homework to finish that's due actually tonight, and finish and pack up all my things and make sure I have everything because we have a 2-hour flight back home tomorrow. And yeah, that's pretty much what's going on at the moment. If anything else happens to happen, of course I'll pick up the camera, but it's really just been chill vibes for the rest of this time. I'm really mad that I didn't get to go to Times Square again and get the content that we wanted to at night, but it is what it is at this point. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower and talk to y'all in the next clip because I don't know what the next clip will be. So guys, we're now checking out. If y'all need an Airbnb in New York, he said the cheaper ones are in New Jersey. What, this Newark, right? Newark, New Jersey? Newark, New Jersey. Kearney. That's the nice part of New Jersey, supposedly. I love y'all. We are on the road to a meal. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, cause why not? Come on, cause why not? I love y'all. Like this video, comment on this video. I don't know if I should end it right here because we might do something else, but just in case, this is goodbye.